What's going on? Went down to 2,500. You know your girl love a steal. You know what? Every time I do an intro for one of my YouTube videos, I always say, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And that's something that really everyone says on YouTube. And I have nothing against it, it's absolutely fine. But personally for me, I just feel like it doesn't sound natural. It's not really me, you know? But what I really want to ask is, what's going on? What does story say? That's something that's very Guyanese. So hopefully my Guyanese people can comment below and tell me what's going on. Like, I want to know how your season has been so far, the Christmas season. And if you're not Guyanese, it basically means like, you know, what's going on, what's up. There, you learned something new on my channel. Christmas for me has been wonderful so far. So Christmas Day was great, Boxing Day was great. I had a lot of pepper pots, I had a lot of black cake and fruit cake and, you know, all of the things that are synonymous with a Guyanese Christmas. So I had a really wonderful time. And I'm still enjoying, you know, the Christmas season. And I am not going to the gym right now because I feel like I wanted a little bit of a break from the machines. And I'm using it as an opportunity to try out this new medicine ball that I got from the Giftland Mall. It's a 10-pound medicine ball and it was on sale from $5,000 and it went down to 2,500. You know your girl love a steal. If you don't, you know it now. I love a steal. I hate wasting money and I hate spending money unnecessarily. I'm always looking for budget-friendly alternatives to everything. And I think also this medicine ball is a great, small, inexpensive piece of equipment that you can have at home in case, you know, maybe you're not comfortable going to the gym, or maybe you just want a break from the gym like me, especially for the Christmas season. Today's workout is all about using this medicine ball and trying it out with a few exercises. And I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. Please let me know if you try it out and tell me how you like it in the comments below. So let's get straight into the video. So let's have some fun. The workout is a circuit of 6 exercises, completing as many rounds as possible in 10 minutes, and 10 reps for each exercise. Starting off with squats, hold the ball at chest level and stand with feet shoulder width apart, bend your hips back as you squat down and keep your lower back flat. Next, reverse lunges for 10 reps on each side. Hold the ball at your chest again and step back with one leg to lower your body until your rear knee almost touches the floor and your front leg is parallel to the floor. Medicine balls are a great way to increase the intensity of any exercise really, and it's also an excellent investment because you can use them for numerous exercises that effectively train and strengthen all of your muscle groups. Now we're doing deadlifts for 10 reps. When you go down, ensure you feel a stretch in your hamstrings. So try to go down slow and come back a little faster. The fourth exercise is a bent over row for 10 reps. Bend your hips back so your torso is more parallel to the floor than mine is. Hold the ball at arm's length and row it to your belly and squeeze at the top. Next are overhead presses for 10 reps. Hold the ball at chest level and press it straight overhead. So finally, for the last exercise, we're doing chest passes for 10 reps. This was my first time doing this and I really like it, but the ball did hit my boobs a couple of times, so ensure you're really safe with this one. Alright guys, guys, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also leave me a comment below and tell me what you're looking forward to most for 2019. For 2019, I'm really just looking forward to continuing creating content for YouTube. It's something that I really enjoy, and it's really a fusion of two things that I really love. I really love production and content creation, and I also really love health and fitness. For those of you who don't know, I studied broadcast media, so I do have a very creative side to me, and hopefully you guys get to see that on camera here and you really love my videos and the way I produce them. I really take a lot of pride and I really put a lot of work into the videos that I do, and I really hope that, as I said, you appreciate it. And other than that, I'm really just looking forward to having a wonderful year. Of course, I would accept whatever challenges 2019 brings. I think that we can really grow from challenges, and that's something that I'm really looking forward to. I'm not hoping for anything bad to happen in the new year, but as I said, you really grow from the challenges, and I'm the type of girl that really loves to roll with the punches, whatever they are. And with that being said, remember to live a fit 360 lifestyle, healthy body, healthy mind always, and I'll see you right back here on my channel next time. Mwah.